Hey there, ocean lovers! Did you know that some sharks come with their own light show? That's right! These fascinating creatures can glow in the dark thanks to bioluminescence. But how does this work? Let's dive in and find out. Bioluminescence is the ability of a living organism to produce and emit light. In sharks, this magical glow is made possible by thousands of light-producing cells in their skin, called photocytes. Incredible, isn't it? So, why do sharks glow? Scientists believe bioluminescence helps them in several ways. First, it might help them find food by attracting smaller prey. Second, it can be used to lure potential mates, making them more visible in the dark depths of the ocean. And lastly, this glowing ability might help them hide from predators by blending in with the faint light filtering down from above. Talk about a handy survival tool. There are over 500 species of sharks, and the fact that some of them can glow just adds to their amazing diversity. However, out of these 500 species, 143 are under threat, facing dangers from overfishing, habitat loss, and climate change. It's vital that we work to protect these incredible animals and their unique adaptations. So, next time you think of sharks, remember they're not just fearsome predators, but also fascinating, glowing wonders of the ocean. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the secret glow of sharks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more oceanic adventures. Until next time, keep swimming.